Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get better sound quality on your JBL Tour One. So I'm gonna show you two methods how you can improve the sound quality. But for the first, just select your headphones from the JBL headphones application, and right now we can use the first method. So we can find right here equalizer, so click on this arrow to open, and here you can find 5 presets. Thanks to these presets you can change the sound performance, and you can also create your own equalizer preset by tapping right here and adjust these parameters. So we can set it up to your own preferences. And the second method, it's below, so we have to go for the smart audio and the video. We have to turn it on by tapping on the switcher. Okay, and right now we have to switch to the audio mode and also wait a little bit. And right now when you click on this information icon, you will get the information that the audio mode gives us the best audio quality. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.